In this video, I'll show you how to add friends on Mecha Break. So all you have to do is launch the game on your PC or on your console and sign into your account, and you should get to this homepage. And then from here, select the comms option at the bottom left corner. So you can use your mouse to select it, or you can use your controller icon and select it. And then at this comms section, ensure that you're under the contacts option and then select add friends. Now, if you have the name of that particular friend, all you have to do is select the search bar that appears and type in the name of that particular friend. So since I don't have any friends, I'll just select a random name and then search for them. So all you have to do, once you type their name, simply select search, and that will search for that particular friend. And then find the friend, or rather from the search results, find the friend and select them. And then you should see this option add friend, or alternatively, you can simply select more. And from the options that appear, you can select add friend. And then you should see this notification, you already sent a friend request. That means you have sent a friend request to that particular player. Now, once they accept your friend request, they can now be visible under the friends section in this page. So that's basically it on how to add friends on Mecha Break. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you like this video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.